Greetings, greetings, greetings. You know, say Satan a want liar do. And him no want you to know the truth neither. So him will send all kind of people to tell you a lie and try to trick you up. Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God to talk to them in the Jamaican language, click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with everybody where you know. And if you don't do it yet, do it now, no? Just click the subscribe button and the notification bell too. To make sure say you don't miss none of what I go on right as so. 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from Paul's second letter to the Thessalonians, chapter 2, from verse 1 to verse 12. Now, brother and sister, about the day when we Lord Jesus Christ a come back, and how the whole of we are going to get up and go meet him, we are asking you, do no make nobody twist up on your head and fright no, so that you can't even think straight. Nobody. No make no message when nobody claims they get from the spirit. And no farmer letter we claim say come from we are telling about say the day when the Lord for come back there already. No make none of that twist up on your head. No believe none of that. No make nobody fool none at all. Cause daddy didn't nah come till one time come when whole heap of people are gonna go against God and no one have nothing to do with him. And daddy didn't nah come till the man we broke God law show up